Today I want to show you how to make a tried and true fall holiday side dish. I call it Maple Glazed Green Beans. Blackstone Griddle, around medium high. Again, you have to know your griddle, so if you're using a 17-inch one burner, might be on high. If you're using a 4-burner Pro Series, you might need to be down a little low. We've got like 3.5–4 pounds of bacon here, chopped up into little slices. This will take a while to cook, so we're just gonna let that sizzle and we're gonna move it around. Joined here by the Schmidt. Steven, if any of my followers don't know who you are and they want to follow what you're doing, tell them.
You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Cooking with the Schmidt.
Looking good. Smelling even better. As you can see, the bacon is looking good. You know, it's like maybe 60–70% done or so. I'm gonna throw some onion in there and let it sizzle in that bacon grease while the bacon continues to cook. All right, so as the bacon is getting closer, we're like maybe 70–75% done now. Gonna grab some green beans. So these are frozen green beans. I like the whole green beans, you know, with both ends on them. You know, you get what you get in the store. So these are split today, you know, down the line. We're gonna put those over here, get those cooking while the bacon's finishing up. That bacon finished up, and then we'll incorporate everything here towards the end. I've made the mistake before not paying attention, and you know, you throw that raw bacon over there into the green beans, just like with bacon fried corn. You don't want to do that. Make sure the bacon's done first.
Make sure, man.
All right, you can see our bacon's getting closer. We're getting close. We're gonna take advantage of all that heat, all that bacon grease. We're gonna mix it up with the green beans. We're gonna get everything going. We're getting the party started. And this is where my Maple Glazed Green Beans comes to fruition. I don't think I've ever said that in a video ever. Fruition.
Fruition.
Fruition. Well, that's a big one.
Now it's time for seasoning. I experimented with garlic because I'm the garlic guy, right? But for some reason, with the maple syrup, it did not fly. So we just go with simple salt and pepper for this recipe. So salt and pepper. We got sea salt and black pepper here. Down. All right, let's give it a try. We're gonna go in there and see how the bacon tastes and see what the green beans are like before we proceed with the maple syrup. Be careful when it's steaming hot off the griddle. You gotta have a strong mouth. Last step, you have to have pure maple syrup, not the fake stuff. I mean, nothing against Mrs. Butterworth or Log Cabin, the cutest package in all of syrup, but you have to have the real stuff. And for me, I like the grade A dark, but you can go with a lighter, more amber color. Are you ready? Oh! Betsy Ross! Sugar in there, obviously, you can see it caramelizing super quick. We don't want to let this sit on there and burn, but we want to make sure we get that maple syrup in every piece of bacon, in every green bean, in every onion. So we're gonna mix it, we're gonna toss this a few times, we're gonna pull it, we're gonna serve it up. Have you ever done rowing the boat on the griddle like this? You can do it, you can row the boat on the griddle like this. We're gonna pull this and we are gonna put it in there. Look at that. Oh my goodness, your family is hungry for Thanksgiving dinner. What can I do as a side dish on the griddle? Well, you can do maple glazed green beans. So simple. What do we have? 5 ingredients. 5 ingredients. Oh my goodness. So Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, New Year's Day dinner. Oh yeah. Oh, steaming. Take a look at that. All right, we'll give it another, for the camera, we'll give it another drizzle and we'll get some pictures. Get that maple in there. You ready? Yeah. Oh. Oh, we're having Thanksgiving dinner, and this is your side dish, Scott.
I've made this actually for Thanksgiving.
You made it?
I've made this.
Wait a minute.
I made this recipe.
Tell them how it was.
It's awesome. Everyone in my family loved it. It's one of my wife's favorite things.
All right, here we go. Let's give it a try. Maple Glazed Green Beans.
So good.
I only make this in the fall. You know, for some reason I think of it as a October to New Year's Day kind of a dish, but you know, Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, New Year's Day. I mean, you can serve this with obviously turkey, with ham, with pot roast. I mean, really easy. You know, if you're cooking something, you got yourself a turkey in the fryer, or turkey in the oven, or whatever, whip this up on the griddle. It's just perfect side dish.
So good.
Oh, man, all right, go ahead.
Let's go.
Thanks for coming over for Thanksgiving dinner, by the way. Taste that maple? Here at the World Food Championship in Dallas, Texas, me and my buddy Michael, we're saying praise the Lord and pass the
Maple Glazed
Green Beans.
So maple, bacon, green beans.